Have you ever been at a grocery store such as 7-Eleven or Speedmart and the cashier asks to you like this, if you want a 20-cent plastic bag? If you say yes, then you already know that leisure is involved in the current environment issue, which is plastic pollution. I'll begin by telling you about the issues and solution of stop using plastic bag. Assalamualaikum and good morning. Plastic bag is a common product in our lives and even discarded at will after use. Plastic is a material made from a very valuable resource, namely petroleum. This means the more plastic we use, the less our petroleum supply will be in the future. Plastic bags are also very difficult to remove. If burned, it will release carcinogens, which are a cancer-causing substance that is very dangerous to humans. If grown, the toxins in it can enter our drinking water sources. Animals can die when ingested plastic bags. Studies show that a plastic bag we throw away can be in a landfill for thousands of years before being destroyed. Plastic bags are solid materials that are difficult to decompose in the soil. As such, it can cause acidic soils and unsuitable for agriculture in addition to causing some other problems. The discarded plastics will affect the flow of water so that it can cause drains and rivers to flood the nearby area when it rains heavily. Since plastic waste will only rot over a long period of time, it requires a large portion of the landfill area. More worryingly, plastics can emit toxic and harmful compounds when they decompose. If this happens, it can cause pollution of soil, rivers, and groundwater resources. This condition will affect the quality of the environment, the health and well-being of other living beings. Plastic bags dumped on the seabed can threaten aquatic and marine life. Then, we can see from this graph, annual per capita plastic packaging consumption across the 6 countries, which is Malaysia is the highest ranking among 6 Asian countries on plastic consumption, which is 16.78%. Here, we can see that Malaysia still uses plastic bag in large quantities. This can have a detrimental effect on the environment as well as human health. I'm sure that you can see the issue of using plastic bag, but you might be asking, well, how we can solve this plastic bag issue? Let me tell you. Firstly, bring a recycling bag. We have to always keep a recycling bag in the car or put it in a bag because we won't know when we need it. Second, we have to reject the use of plastic bags. If going to the supermarket, we ourselves have to insist on not using plastic bags, even if offered by the cashier when paying. Furthermore, now each plastic bag is charged 20 cents. This topic, which is stop using plastic bag, is the best solution because it can give benefit to our environment, also can help Earth to stay fresh. In conclusion, we must learn and understanding and concern about the use of plastic. When buying items that can be held or transported by hand, ask the salesperson or cashier not to put it in plastic. Preferably, bring it with both your hands. Then, we must spend some money to buy a cloth bag or burlap bag that feels appropriate to the purchase quantity of goods. That's all for me. Thank you.